So, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for this week's video. Um, I'm gonna talk about LLM based tools. So, for um, the resources of this week, I'm gonna use a video from YouTube called Google AI Studio by Tina, where she explains general guidelines on using tools for producing a LLM. So she basically she talks about the guide steps guides that you should keep in mind when you're creating a LLM. Creating a task for LLM or basically AI to accomplish. So so this is just a specific task for AI Pro modes or LLM. So she brings up a interesting steps that she made up in a particular order, which is tiny crabs ride enormous iguanas. So basically, it's 5 letters which is the essential rules or guidelines that allow you suggest you to follow. So which is TCREI. Yeah, sorry. So the first one, T, stands for task, and then for C stands for context, for R, which stands for resources, for E, which stands for evaluate, and then for I, stands for iterate. So like basically these are process that you should follow when you're creating an LLM. Like you should set a task or a goal that you want your AI to accomplish. So this is just regardless of a user will promote the LLM with. And then for the next one is context. So context should be like any additional information aside from the task that the AI should keep in mind with future iteration of its programming. This can be anything from I'll try to make the LLM to sort of mimic or additional library of information. So which comes to the next one are the resources. Resources can means like a file, like a couple of things. So it's could be something like libraries or like internet or document. But like this is like how the LLM should move forward with like fulfilling task. So the next step is evaluate. The video mentioned this being a critical analysis of how your LLM operates, like how it's attempting to accomplish your goal, and then you check its optimization, like how it's thinking through its process, regardless of the like it's working towards a goal or not. And then which bring us to the last one, iterate, which is basically fixing whatever you see as being like something that LLM can do better. So this can be like cutting out unnecessary steps, that cutting out like extra steps when your AI is trying to complete the goal. Like while it's doing its job, it could be doing it better by like cutting out unnecessary steps. So this is like what iterate do. So and this is like a process we should all have in mind while we're creating a LLM promoting codes, and just basically any project in general. So like we know what our LLM would do moving forward, regardless of if you're there or not to fix it later. And the video talks about things like context and resources being critical while creating LLM, so that it's less likely to experiencing hallucination or stray further from its original task. And yeah, so this is what I found I think important from the video, and then it's gives like a coder developers a like clear view like how to how to code better using LLM when they're using AI. Yeah, so this is this week's video. Thank you for listening.